Okay, we got Jeff Vandermeulen, and he's our chef. This is what he's making.
Just some humble food. It's not even put together. How dare you?
That's okay. Oh, we appreciate all your help. Look at this. Look at this bread.
You know, and Sean, I want to say something to you too, man. You're just awesome with the routes. We really appreciate that. I mean, you know, we can't have more than the one route guy, right? As we know, one route guy, and you do an awesome job. So thank you so much.
So Wednesdays, was Wednesday recovery ride? Every ride I created recovery ride.
Yeah. It's also mellow. It's also mellow.
They're mellow and recovery ride. Today was a recovery descent. I said when we came off of Mitchell, this is a recovery descent.
Sean C1 is real wide range.
Yeah.
Zone 1.
Goes from like 0 to 400.
0 to 180.